What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we got something special coming for the Civic. It's gonna be fun. Hopefully, I don't know if it's gonna work because I have a specific audio system, and what I bought, it might not work. I might have to do some finessing, so we'll see. So hope you guys are ready and enjoy this video. All right, hopefully you guys can't hear the shampoo going in the background. As you can see, I have no seats, and my girlfriend is doing the seats. I did this side of the carpet and still have to do this side, but I'm like, you know what, it's looking a little rough, so I might as well go ahead and install the speaker on this side because it's looking rough. I ain't got to worry about messing it up or getting my ass wet. So now it's just time to install the new stereo. I had already taken out this bottom piece to spray it, and if you guys want to see that video, make sure to subscribe because it's coming to my channel if it's not already on there. But anyway, took off this little piece back here. There's a screw under the dash part, so took that out, and then there's also two screws under there, but there is like a cover over it, so I'm gonna have to take that out. Take out the two bolts, under there. Both the dash and this should be able to pop right out. So I got out those screws. For all my bigger people, man, I wish all the best of luck because I got my seats out and it's still hard. So got those out. Now it's just time to unclip everything and hopefully that goes smoother. So let me get straight to that. Alright, so I finally got everything disconnected. I don't know why, but in other people's videos, the speedometer section disconnects from the stereo section, but obviously mine did not want to do the same. So it is what it is. But pretty much what I'm going to do now is take out the climate control, the vents, and the hazard button and transfer it to the new one. Alright, so as you can see, I got it disconnected. I will say you're really just gonna have to like split it, but this side, you got, I don't know if y'all can see it, these clips, they go here. So you'll definitely want to go, if you're looking at it, this way. Not this way, because you'll definitely crack the clip. So the dash out first, then this. So just be mindful of that. I think I'm also gonna have to take off these white clips, but as you can see, everything is taken apart. Just the climate control is still here. So what you gotta do for that is get a flathead or a pry tool, anything kind of flat, kind of twist it, like kind of give yourself some room so you can wedge your flathead in between. And then these just pop out. That's it. And then the other side, same thing. Just like that, and we're good to go. Now to put these on the new one. Here is the stereo. I had already wired everything up just to the stereo so I could do it in the comfort of my own home. You see the screen. I mean, nothing crazy. This was like $100. I'll leave the link below for the speaker. So that's there. To the GPS, or not the GPS, this is for the power, I think. This is for the GPS. I don't even know where I'm putting this yet. So another USB over here. run these in the glove box. Put that to the side. So now time to put everything back together. All right, so now we got everything put in, all the knobs put back. Everything's pretty much self-explanatory. There's grooves on the back of it and they'll just slide in. You can't mess it up, honestly. Everything works, at least nothing's sticking at least. Got the vent back in. So now I'm about to go put the white clips back from the old stereo to the new stereo, and I'll show you guys how I plug it up and we'll go from there. So there's 5 white clips that transfer over, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's supposed to be a 5th one here, but as you can see, mine's broken, but it looks like I didn't break it. So I don't know if it came from the factory like that or what, but that's the original stereo and the clip with it. So we'll see how it holds up. It should just clip into the next one in that little groove right there, so it shouldn't be that big of a problem. But yeah, unfortunately it came cracked, but we'll see how it goes. Now to wire everything up. I got all the wires here. The airbag light isn't going to connect to anything, so I'm just going to put the old one back on there and just put it in that little spot. But it's going to be impossible for me to show you how I wire everything. Honestly, it's all self-explanatory. They all match up. If you know shapes, you could put all these together. So I'm going to go ahead, do that real quick, and I think I'll run the USBs through here so it can go into the glove box. So I'm gonna wire this on, wire it up, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. All right, so this is how everything looks wired up. I put the passenger airbag light back in there. So yeah, I know it looks like a mess, but everything's in there. So I can't even put the car on to test it because I got my seats out. So once those go back in, I'll test it out and I'll let you guys know how it is. So I noticed that, remember when I said take off the 2 bolts under there? These are most likely them. There's no bolts on the aftermarket one, so I guess I'll hold it off for now and see how it is, see if there's any noise or rattling, and go from there. But till then, this is what the stereo looks like. I'm not going to take the plastic off yet. I'm going to wait until I actually try it, make sure it comes on and stuff like that, and then I'll take it off and I'll show you guys everything. Put everything back together, got the stereo here. It does work, surprisingly. I'm surprised the volume worked, but as you can see, everything sounds good. And I mean, people said that like the 1 gig wouldn't be snappy, but it's good enough for me, I'm not gonna lie. Looks like it's doing pretty well. I'm gonna have to go through all the functions. I would definitely recommend it. I will leave a link to it down below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.